Yes, guys, are you looking to sell some new trending digital products on Etsy or online, and creating something really, really quickly through AI? If this is something that you want to do, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell to check out all the videos that I produce and the best trending niches in digital products. And I'll bring you all those videos in your feed. So, guys, without further ado, let's check this video out. Now, look, I'm on Etsy right now. You can see digital products are really, really popular, guys. But obviously, there's different types of digital products. And really, we want to find those digital products that are trending, some new niches which we can get into. Some of them are saturated or getting saturated, and we really need to find some new niches out there so we can make that fantastic passive income, guys. So look, I've just typed in digital products. You can see that the results are 90,000 for digital products, but I want to really delve in and find those trending ones. So what I like to do is I like to go to something called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is fantastic. It's a fantastic AI, if you like, software where it answers the questions specifically, but you also need to ask the question specifically. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go to the ChatGPT chat and I'm going to ask, find the best. Let me see what question I'm going to ask. What are the trending niches in digital products to sell online, or I could say, if I'm specific, on Etsy. All right, let's see what it says. Now, let's see what it's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. Planner printables, wall art, social media templates, digital stickers, printable invitations, party decorations, digital embroidery patterns, coloring pages, SVG cut files. Now, these are fantastic. Look, I've got loads of videos also on some of the trending niches. You can check them out in my playlist later on. But let's have a look at this. This is really interesting. There's some good ones here. Wall art, minimalist, planner printables. So yeah, let's get into this a little bit more. Digital stickers. Right, digital stickers are getting to be quite popular, and I've looked at that previously, but let's just go into this a little bit more. So, digital stickers. Now, I like to look at sub niches, right? And this is what I mean by that. Because if I go over to digital stickers, right? If I just type in digital stickers, look, you can see that there are different types of digital stickers, right? For example, if I look at the main niche of digital stickers, look, the monthly search is 2,306. If I look at digital stickers for GoodNotes, or if I look at digital stickers for book, or digital stickers cat, or for planners, there are different searches, and I'm getting into a sub niche, digital stickers for kids and so forth, right? And I'm using, guys, as I say before, I've always said I use EVERBEE, which is my SEO software, which gives me all these monthly searches. And it also helps me find those really fantastic nuggets through the product analytics. But I'm going to go into this through ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what are the best digital sticker niches to sell on Etsy? Now, you got to be really specific with ChatGPT, so hopefully it understands what I'm trying to say, and then it can give me an answer to my question. Now, here you go. Now it's getting a little bit more specific. So planner stickers are popular. Digital art stickers. These stickers feature digital illustrations, emojis and meme stickers, decorative stickers. So these can be seasonal stickers. Oh, that's interesting. So Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's, travel stickers. Right. Let's have a look at travel stickers. Are these popular now? So it's given me a few different ideas. Digital travel. Now, obviously, I want to look at something that's also that's going to make money, right? So let's just see what this is. Now, I want to get into a niche that doesn't have a huge amount of search results, and then something that I can actually do. So look, here, the search results of travel stickers, digital travel stickers, is 8,441 results, which is fantastic because it's not too much, and it's something that I can actually rank for. So if I was to produce a new listing, then it looks like with that amount of results, I should be able to rank myself. Now, I'm going to go to product analytics because I need to look at this particular sub niche of digital stickers a little bit more. I want to see who's making some money on this and if you can make money on it. So I'm looking at monthly revenue, and then I'm going to see if I can actually make money on this. Wow. Okay, this is interesting. So guys, I am looking at this particular product that is making $6,635, right? Let me just click this product, and it's called Everyday Stickers, and it seems like it's just product stickers that can be used for every day. So let's have a look. Yeah, so they've got stickers for everything, guys. They've got stickers for, let me just look a little bit into this. Birthdays, barbecue, bath time, appointments, walk, work, literally everything to do with the day, right? So they got everything, guys. Coffee, party, exam. I want to get a little bit more specific. I mean, yes, people do like, by the way, bundles and lots of stickers. It's got 400 digital stickers, and actually, they've got a lot in here. That's why they're probably making a lot of money. But these guys are making 6,635, which you can see right there. I'm going to exit that. I just want to get into maybe something a bit more specific. So I'm going to go down the list because, there's some good money in this anyway. Holiday. Let's look at this one. This is a bit more specific. Holiday digital stickers. Let's click on this one. These guys are making, I think they're from the same shop, but they're making $1,499 a month. Not too bad, guys, right? For something quite specific. Holiday stickers, right? Let's have a look at this one. So I'm going to just analyze these, and you can see they've got, for seasons, for holidays, right. Yeah, New Year's Day, Mother's Day, for celebrations. Okay. They've got loads going on. They've got loads of stickers. So that is quite nice. That's quite good because this is a little bit more niche, if you like, a bit more specific. Holiday stickers. So this is called Holiday Digital Stickers, and let me just use, or seasonal stickers. This is making about almost $1,500 a month. Not too bad, guys. And remember, this is like passive income. Once you produce it once, you keep selling it. So you don't really have to do much after the first time. And like I said, I'm going to show you. Stay right to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to produce this using AI in literally a few minutes. So now that I've got an idea about what I want to do, I might just type in seasonal digital stickers, holiday digital stickers, seasonal digital stickers. Okay. I'm just going to use something like this. Copy this, right? Don't forget, I'm going to create my own unique type of stickers. So I'm going to go to, guys, something called Midjourney. And you may have seen my other videos. I love using Midjourney because it's fantastic AI software that really produces fantastic designs, art, anything really that I need to do, especially for digital products. And I keep saying it, the quality of Midjourney is amazing, guys. Look, it produces fantastic art or design. You can see here's a logo style of the fox. You can see there's a picture, almost photo quality zebra there. If I go down, I'm just showing you like the amount of the floral design which you've got here, superheroes, and if I keep going down, there's just so many different kind of styles which you can produce just by creating or giving the prompt. Now, what I mean by prompt is this. So, for example, these alpacas, if you like, you'd have to create a certain set of words to produce it. So what you do, you create a set of words and it produces the AI image. So in this case, you can see anthropometric alpaca rap group posing for a group photo in a studio. And literally, when you type in these prompts, these words, it produces what you want, what you've said. And literally, it does look like a group of alpacas in a studio, right? And that's what you do. You actually have to give it some prompts. So what I'm going to do is, this looks really nice. A photo of modern Oriental style located in Lebanon, designed by Renown. So look, they produced a really nice AI almost image of an interior of a building, of a room. So that's what you do. So I'm going to go to AI because you need to sign in. I've signed in already here, and I'm actually on the Discord already. So the Discord is where I can produce what I want. Now, if you remember, I said I need to create some words, and I've already, I think, copied some words that I need to use for my digital stickers. Now, if I click on imagine and then prompt, I'll paste the prompt that I want, paste it. Digital stickers, okay, seasonal. Let me type in holiday or seasonal. Seasonal digital stickers, right? Seasonal digital stickers. I'm just going to say seasonal digital stickers for now because I want to get some ideas. Will I say 50 seasonal? Maybe 50. Can I give a number? Let's try 50 seasonal digital stickers. Let's see what it gives me. Click enter. Let's see if this actually works. So now I've given it the keywords. Now, granted, I didn't give it a lot of words. I've just kind of given it an idea of what it is I want. And now it's going to produce for me 4 different types, hopefully, of digital stickers that hopefully will be what I want. If it doesn't work the first time, you can always, these are quite nice. Okay, so wow, look at this, guys. Check this out. Whew. Look at this, guys. So, it's produced some seasonal digital, and it has, right? Holiday digital stickers. These are really nice. So I'm going to open it in my browser and look at these guys. Now, what I can do is if I do like any of these digital stickers, I can actually make them better quality, obviously, if I want. Now, let me just go and type in holiday digital stickers. Right, I'm going to try something else. Holiday digital stickers. Now let's see what that does. Right, it might be slightly different. Now already look, there's quite a lot there as well. So if I wanted to use these, I could take these and save it in my on my laptop or wherever you want to save it, and then upload it on Etsy. This is the beauty about this. Now I've typed in holiday digital stickers. Going to be slightly different probably, but let's see what they produced. Now this is what you do. So what you do is you go back and you kind of keep putting in keywords, and then hopefully slowly you'll start getting some ideas of what it is that you want to do. So you can see now slowly I can see that they're produced. If you look at that bottom left one, that you've got the Christmas, you've got a cake, you've got presents. You can see that the sort of angle here is Christmas, and even at the top left as a Christmas kind of holiday stickers or seasonal stickers. And then if I did like this, obviously, or any of these styles, what I'll simply do is I would right click and save image. And then what I can do is I can actually save some of these digital stickers and use them on Etsy. Okay, save it as a PDF or whatever it is I want to save it as a certain file that is suitable, and that's what I can do. So can you see the power of AI, guys? This is literally how you do it. And I use this for various other things. So if I go back to my planners, you can see that these ones are, if you like, these are the everyday ones. Sorry, these are the holiday ones. Yep. So you can see. Let's just imagine I want to do world flag digital stickers, right? You can see there's one there, Flag Day, the American flag, Australian Day, Australian flag. Let's just say I want to produce just digital flag stickers, right? Those are quite popular too. right? So I'm going to type in digital flag countries. Countries around the world, yeah? Let's see what that does. Digital flag stickers for countries around the world. Not sure if that's going to work, but that's what you do. You have to kind of put keywords in that hopefully will give it the right prompt for it to produce what it is you want. Sometimes you need to kind of experiment, you need to try things out. I mean, this looks like there's a couple of examples there that might actually be digital stickers that might actually work, right? And then what you can do is you sort of, you kind of go in and you maybe add more keywords, and then look, these are quite nice. See, digital stickers for different countries. These are really nice. Okay. And then you can use these, download these, open up in the browser. Like I said, download it. Okay. Don't you think that's fantastic, guys? Right. And that's what you do. So that is how, guys, you find trending niches, niches that you can make some really good passive income. And this is how you produce it on AI. So, guys, if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And, guys, don't forget, check out all my other videos where I show you how to produce other stuff, create other stuff, whether it be Canva or whether it be Midjourney. And don't forget, check out the links in my description for all the software that I use, and also on the SEO software, EVERBEE. And yeah, hope to see you on the next video, guys. Don't forget, they're coming up soon. Take care. See you on the next one.